sure it's recording. Make sure you're getting him.
Go get it, Pug. Go get it. Go get it, Pug. Down on his face. The cat's just looking at them like, what the fuck is wrong with them? No, you go slower.
No, it's actually funny seeing him go fast.
Make him run all the way over here. And make him run back. Then go back and forth. No, go straight. Stupid dog. Blizzard, what do you think of this, huh? He's high on something. No, up. Ready? Let me try. Here. We record it. Record it. Ready? How do you do it?
This one. Oh crap! I'm dying! I'm dying! Where's the pause button? Mom, the pause button! I'm dying!
What's the pause button?
I don't know. Stop it! Before I die! There. Alright, go. I can't film over there. I can't see over there. My God, you poor dog. Come over here, I can't see anything. He doesn't see it. Dog got some feet. Okay, my turn.
No way, this is fun.
Okay, it's my turn.
Okay, fuck it.
Oh! No, I got an idea. Hold the camera, hold the camera. I got an idea. Hold the camera. I have a really neat idea. Ready? Make him hit the wall again. That was funny. Make him hit that cabinet. Oh my God.
We're getting a black eye. black lips.
I thought he's already black.
Let's do something awesome. Ready? Okay, ready?
You know, I can't see him over there.
Plus, if you run. It's because I can't breathe.
Oh! God. Oh, there goes Blizzard.
Get him water, Maddie.
Oh no, I got an idea. Hold. Here, hold this. Give
him water.
Give me the
Give
laser.
him water.
No, give me the laser. I got an idea. Give me
No! Blizzard! She's molesting me!
Give me the damn laser.
Get the dog water. Oh, you're gonna put in the water? It's awesome. Look at the poor cat. He's hiding.
Alright, you ready? Keep recording this.
No, don't look it on the floor.
I'll put it like right over here. Ready?
Put it where it's supposed to go. No.
Wait,
Let him drink from it. He's fucking dying.
You know.
No, Blizzard. No, no. Give me your tongue, idiot. You're chasing all
Oh my God, he's already chasing it.
I'm right, Blizzard. I'm right.
Oh! Again.
You're running into a wall, Blizzard. No, not. No! That will hurt. No,
We already did it twice.
no, that will hurt. Right, Blizzard? No. No, this is just mean. He's dying, Matt. He's needs some water.
Oh my God, look at that.
Get on the cat.
Scruffy! Scruffy!
Kitty?
Here.
Meow.
Scruffy, look! Oh my God, you moron.
I know.
Scruffy, look!
Scruffy is chasing a light, Blizzard. A light.
Oh!
Blizzard, a light. He's chasing a light.
You totally dumb dog. There's faster.
I'm ready for shot. He's like running to water. Let me see it, Jonathan.
You're not the one recording it now because you're messing it totally up.
Yeah, but he's not really running like he should be. Come here. Let me see it. Come on, you take an awesome video.
No. I'm gonna stop soon.
I want to see Scruffy.
My battery's gonna die soon, so.
You know what? I'm gonna let the dog.
I just wanna see what he does to the water. Look, stop getting in the way, damn it. Come here, look. Look, this is any water. Oh! He didn't do much. Okay.